we're excavating this area here because some Bronze Age metalwork was found through metal detecting a few weeks ago. The most exciting thing about it isn't actually the metalwork, it's the fact that it's still in a pot. An excavation of Bronze Age hoard in a pot doesn't usually happen because of normally they're completely ploughed out through the farming process. So the pottery and how the objects are actually positioned in it is what's really exciting. So we don't actually know what we're going to find. The theory behind Bronze Age hoards is that they could be found as hoards. Basically, it could be a collection of metalwork that's been grouped together that might be later recycled. So it could be deposits in the landscape that people might go back and recover it and reuse it, melt it down. Alternatively, it's the word that archaeologists love to use and hate to use, ritual deposits. It could be a deliberate deposition in the landscape to mark a particular boundary or a particular site. In terms of finding something like this in situ, it's quite unusual. I think
just the mud inside of it holding it together.
The pot's quite fractured on one side, so we're just going to put some cling film around the one side just to try and hold it together while we dig down a bit further, and if we can, lift the pot as is, and then we can get it x-rayed.
Okay, right, we have to take off. It's really heavy.
Okay.
There we go. Okay, down.
If we twist it around to the left a bit. No, keep the box. When we x-ray it, we'll hopefully find out exactly what types of objects we have inside the pot and the order that they're actually placed in the pot. Hopefully we'll be able to see what's at the bottom of the pot, middle of the pot and the top, so we can actually see the order that somebody 3,000 years ago was actually placing the objects in. So it might give us a bit of an insight into, well, what they were thinking at the time.